Hello?
Hi, is your mom home?
Yes?
May I speak to her?
No?
Is your daddy home?
Yes?
May I talk to him?
No?
Is anyone else there?
Yes, a policeman.
May I speak to the policeman?
No, he's busy.
Busy doing what?
Talking to the ambulance man and fireman.
What is that noise?
The helicopter.
What's going on?
Search team just landed a helicopter.
What are they searching for?
Me.
Sorry. Han, when you die, which part of your body will die last?
My mouth.
No.
My heart.
No.
I give up.
Your pupil.
Why will my pupil die last?
Because it will dilate.
Hello?
Hello, Han. Can you please come pick me up?
Why, what's up? I thought you had your car with you.
Yeah, I have my car. But now it won't start.
Oh, what's the problem?
There's water in the carburetor.
Water in the carb. You don't know what a carburetor is. Where is it?
In the river? Han, did you know that the sexual position formerly called 69 is now 96?
Why is that?
Do you know? It's because of the economy. The cost of eating out is going up. You like it?
Yeah.
You want some more?
Yeah. Come press it.
Okay, say it again. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Hello?
Hi, I can't come to work today.
Are you okay?
I'm emotionally constipated.
You know we're very busy, don't you? What does that even mean?
I haven't given a shit in days. Bye.